In our last lecture, I have told you how you have to sign up to Razorpay, what steps you have to follow, and which video you have to follow. And also we have accessed API key and API secret key. Now in this lecture, we are going to set up Razorpay folder. Open Google and just search for Razorpay PHP documents. And then click on this first link. We will be redirected to prerequisites. Scroll down. Inside this installation, we are having this Razorpay php.zip file. I will click on this. If I click on this, no file will be downloaded. Instead, we will be redirected to GitHub. Now here, click on code. Click on this drop down and I'm just going to download this zip. Downloading has started. I will come to my downloads folder. Right click and extract this folder. And this is the folder which we have extracted. Now right click on this zip file and delete from system. Now open this folder. Inside this folder, we are having all the necessary code which we require to set up our Razorpay. Now for this folder, I'm just going to rename. I will give the name as SRC. Copy this folder. Open your project folder. This is a project folder. Inside the root, I will be creating one folder name called Razorpay. And inside this folder, I'm just going to paste that SRC folder which we have copied. It will take some time. Very important. Whatever steps I have shown you, you have to follow all the steps. First thing, we have searched for Razorpay PHP document. Inside this prerequisite, inside this installation, we will click on this. We will be redirected to GitHub. Click on code. From here, download the zip file, extract it, and then rename to SRC. Then inside our project folder, we are going to create Razorpay in the root, and inside this Razorpay, we are just going to paste our SRC folder. Now inside this, we will be having entire code. Again come to downloads folder, right click and delete this folder which we have extracted. I hope you are clear with this setup process.